Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you how I use floor paint and painter's tape to give my outdated staircase a brand new look. Now let's get started. The first thing I did was repaint the banister. As you can see, the previous owner painted the banister white and then black, and although I won't sand all the way down to the original wood finish, I did want to remove the top coat and make sure that the wood surface was as smooth as possible. I then used a damp microfiber cloth to remove the dust, and once the stairs were completely dry, I added 2 coats of this Kills 2 all-purpose primer. Once my primer was dry, I then added 2 coats of this urethane enamel semi-gloss paint that I purchased from Home Depot. The following weekend, I removed the carpet pads, and carpet tack strips from the stairs. I was happy to see that the wood stairs were still in good condition and only required light sanding. However, removing the carpet and preparing the stairs for painting took the entire weekend. Again, I didn't try to make the stairs perfect, but I wanted them to be as smooth as possible. Here's what the stairs looked like prior to painting. For this paint project, I decided to use porch and patio floor paint that I purchased from Home Depot. And just so you know, I painted every other step so that the stairs could still be used. And I also indicated which steps were dry by adding a piece of blue painter's tape. I also noticed gaps after I started painting, and I filled those with caulk, but in hindsight, I should have filled those with wood filler prior to painting. Here's what the stairs look like after 3 coats of paint. Originally, here was the look that I was going for, but I couldn't find the perfect color carpet, and these stair carpet rods were super expensive, so I decided to do something a little bit more creative. Here, I'm adding marks that are 6 inches away from the wall, and I'll use these marks to help me as I attempt to add a straight line of painter's tape to the stairs. I then added a second line of the painter's tape 1 inch to the right of the first. I then did the same to the opposite side of the stairs. Here, I'm adding 1 coat of the white paint over the painter's tape. This will help me get cleaner lines. 1 hour later, I painted between the painter's tape lines with custom porch and floor paint that I purchased from Sherwin-Williams. The color of this porch and floor paint is the exact same color as the color on the walls, River's Edge. I waited 2 more hours to pull up my painter's tape, and when I did, I had something that looked like this. I did have to go back and fix a few areas, but overall the lines were very clean. I did most of my stair painting in the evenings, but here's what the stairs look like in the daytime. To complete the project, I added these clear non-slip stair treads along with these LED lights with motion sensors that I purchased from Amazon. I'll add a link to all of the items I used in the description box below. I really love how my stair project turned out. I've wanted to remove the dark colored carpet for a really long time, and I think that the final results are beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers, bye.